Assalamu alaikum everyone and good morning. Why is it so important to get up in the morning and work on yourself? Because when you get up early morning, it helps you understand yourself, okay? And you get up first you meditate. How? By praying, which we Muslims pray in the morning in Fajr time. So we pray first. After that, we get ready and we come down early morning before the sun rises, right? So that gives you a little bit really amazing feeling that you can breathe well and your lungs get the best energy out. So when you start walking and doing some brisk exercises, push-ups, pull-ups, gradually, you help yourself a bit. So I feel that since I have started doing my daily routine workout, it is helping me with my transformation and inspire people who are sleeping at the moment to get up and work on themselves and make a better future and a great morning, because early morning is the best time, that gives you the boost, the energy to work and have a very healthy day, the joyful day, I would suggest, because you should sleep by 10 p.m. maximum in the night so that you can get up early in the morning and you can work on all aspects of it. So that's my whole idea, that whatever the age group you are in, if you make it a habit and a routine for yourself, that will really help you in being disciplined in life. So after a great workout, I feel that when I go back home, I'll have a very healthy diet, which is the breakfast, heavy breakfast, so that can gives you another source of energy for the whole day. So keep enjoying and keep working out, because that's really essential for a healthy lifestyle. Thank you everyone. Keep watching my videos. If you like them, do subscribe, share, and allow me to be part of your journey as well.